Samsung Galaxy S21 Series 5G is the best camera smartphone that Samsung has ever released. The Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G packs a quad camera setup with a 108-megapixel wide-angle camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and two 10-megapixel telephoto camera, which enables you to do up to 100 times space zoom on the smartphone. Those are amazing numbers, but how do make the most out of it? A lot, actually. Here are some cool tips and tricks that you might know about the Samsung Galaxy S21 Series 5G smartphones. The 108-megapixel camera is one of the biggest features of the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G. For the Galaxy S21 and S21 Plus 5G, you can shoot at up to 64 megapixels. So, going back to the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G, you can opt for the 108-megapixel mode, which will give you more details and larger resolution photos. To use that, all you need to do is to open the camera app and press the button with 4x3, and you have to choose the 4x3 with 108 megapixel, and it will give you a higher resolution shot. With 108 megapixel shot, you can clearly see that you have more details in this shot compared to the normal 4x3 shot that we have. One of the things that has to improve on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Series 5G is the improved focus on the smartphone. Focus Enhancer automatically activates whenever you're shooting an object that is really close to the camera. This is one of the coolest features of the Samsung Galaxy S21 Series 5G. With Director's View, you have a live view of the different rear cameras of the smartphone, and you can easily switch between different lenses of the smartphone. And for the vloggers, I'm sure that you'll appreciate the vlogger mode, in where you can do dual recording with front and rear cameras of the smartphone. This feature is really useful, especially if you're having conversational content or vlogs. To use this feature, all you need to do is to choose More and to tap the Director's View. Voice command might be a small feature, but you'll definitely appreciate this if you're taking selfies or when your smartphone is in a tripod. All you need to do is to say cheese, smile, capture, or shoot, and you can take a photo. You can also say record video to start a recording on your smartphone. To activate voice command, just go to the camera app, tap the gear button, then choose shooting methods and turn on the voice commands. Smile. There's a 10-megapixel selfie camera on the Samsung Galaxy S21 5G and the Galaxy S21 Plus 5G, while the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G features a better 40-megapixel selfie camera. If you want to improve the quality of your selfies, you can change the selfie color tone depending on your preference. To change the selfie color tone, tap the gear button at the camera app, then tap selfie color tone. You can choose between natural and bright. HDR10 Plus gives us a better set of colors and contrast in our videos. Did you know that you can shoot HDR10 Plus videos on the Samsung Galaxy Series 5G smartphones? Yes, you can. Just tap the gear button at the camera app and tap the advanced recording options, then toggle the HDR10 Plus videos. With this feature, we can get better colors and contrast on videos, and you'll surely appreciate the quality of the videos that you can shoot. But you have to take note that this one is still under labs, which means that the feature isn't final, and you can only play HDR10 Plus videos on services like YouTube, or if you have a device that is capable of it. If you're shooting a subject that is moving, it's better to turn on the tracking autofocus on the smartphone. This lets you focus on the object despite moving a lot. And you don't have to worry about tapping on the subject to autofocus. To activate this, just tap the gear icon and toggle the tracking autofocus under useful features. Single take is probably my favorite feature on the Samsung Galaxy Series 5G. The feature was already present in the previous Galaxy smartphones, but it has improved even further on the Galaxy S21 Series 5G, thanks to the AI optimization of the smartphone. With single take shots, you just need to shoot 15 seconds of video and the smartphone will analyze the video and it will produce different photos and videos including boomerang, highlight, dynamic, slow motion, and the original video. It will also give you the best photos in that short video. The Samsung Galaxy S21 Series 5G is a vlogger's best friend. Not only that, you can take videos up to 8K, but the smartphone also comes with a Pro Video mode. This is where you can adjust the white balance, exposure, ISO, shutter, the focus, and even the audio input of the smartphone. This is helpful especially if you're recording outside and if you want to have a better and clearer audio. You can choose from USB, Bluetooth, and even a mix of a Bluetooth and the smartphone. In my case, I am using the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live as my audio input. Lastly, there's the object eraser, in where the smartphone automatically removes the objects, people, or anything that you don't like from your picture. To activate this, just go to the gallery and tap the edit button, then tap the three dotted buttons at the upper right of the smartphone and tap labs, then you can turn on the object eraser. You can then choose the object eraser feature and you can choose which subject to erase and just tap and it's done. It's probably the coolest feature that is hidden underneath the gallery app of the smartphone. And actually, it makes editing fun and also easier. So those are just some of the cool new features that the Samsung Galaxy S21 Series 5G offers. I'm pretty sure that there are still a lot of cool features inside these smartphones, and if you're interested in getting one, you can now avail the Samsung Galaxy S21 Series 5G in the market. And if you're looking for the best camera phone, you better go for the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G. I guess that's it for our video. So if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, well, now is the time to subscribe. So once again, I am Jam of JamOnline.ph. Thank you for watching and see you guys again in my next video.